Dear students, respectable teachers, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
I am very thankful to all members to come here. And I am also thankful to my teachers, especially Sajjad sir, to give me a chance to speak here. So let me start my speech with the greatest name of Allah Almighty, who is the creator of universe. I have written a few lines about the respect of teachers. This is a big moment for me because I am addressing the teachers, whom I regard as the most important member of our community. From my childhood, I have always maintained a deep respect for teachers. Teachers are the builder of our society, and you may say our civilization. The students of today will build up and propagate our civilization of tomorrow. If the teacher could manage, their class would keep the class quick. I am telling you another small episode which is relevant in this context. I think I would tell all you teachers to keep this in mind, that if a teacher is good in his or her field, if the teacher loves the student and is committed to teach them, then that teacher will be doing his the best manner. Ladies and gentlemen, teacher is one of the noblest of professions. The student learn not only from the word of teaching. Teaching is very responsible job. I wish all teachers everywhere will realize their responsibilities. Be like a candle which burns itself but gives light to others, like these teachers. Thank you. एक शेर पेश करना चाहता हूँ तुम्हें इकबाल का। सुबह के तख्त नशीन शाम को मुजरिम टहरे इकबाल, सुबह के तख्त नशीन शाम को मुजरिम टहरे इकबाल, हमने पल भर में नसीबों को बदलते देखा है। सलाम अलैकुम।